Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Cylinder volume problems are fast if you know the formula. Differentiate the volume equation with respect to time to find the answer quickly. Start with the volume formula, V equals pi times r squared times h. Since both the radius and height change over time, we must treat both variables as functions of time. Apply the product rule to find the derivative of volume. This gives us pi times the quantity of 2rh times dr dt plus r squared times dh dt here. Plug in 3 for radius, 10 for height, and 1/3 for both rates. Simplifying gives 23 pi, making option C the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to prevent calculation errors. Trust the given rates and check your steps.